Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have quite a dry wax removal from both ears for you today. So this patient's been coming through complaining of reduced hearing and a feeling of fullness in the ear as well. So we're just using the standard size ulnar tube here just to basically unstick the wax. Sometimes we're lucky we can get it all out in one big chunk when it's dry like this. You can see just how tacky and stretchy that wax is as it's coming away. You can tell it's starting to dry out a little bit. So just gently maneuvering this out of the canal. So wiggling it up and down and back and forth just to work this wax out of the canal and around the bend. See, it's still quite attached and sticky, look, as it's drawing more wax away. Just getting the second piece away there. Although this type of earwax is much harder to remove, in so much as it's quite sticky, so it does hold together. Sometimes you're quite lucky, and as you pull the front end of the wax away, it'll start drawing the deeper wax down the canal because it is so sticky in nature. But have to wiggle it up and down. Lots of people ask what the patient feels while we're doing this. They feel the wiggling sensation. There's no pain. You know, as long as the wax is soft like this, it's not a hard lump. They don't really feel any pain. It's just a strange sensation, more of a pulling in the ear canal, basically. Yeah, now we've got it to the outside edge. We'll use the Jobson horn then just to bring it down just to the end of the canal. There you go. So quite a large sticky lump of wax there. A little bit of tidying up to do on the one side, but there's the eardrum looking really healthy, nice and shiny. So we'll just check the other ear now. So we've got quite a similar amount of wax in the other ear. So because it's quite squared off, I'm going to use the Jobson horn just to get behind this and bring it forwards. You can see just how much pressure we have to pop onto that wax, and you can see it's stretching with the movement of the Jobson horn. It's quite pliable. It's pulling out in long strips. So it's difficult to get a grip on that rear section of wax. So we're just going to use the Zollner now just to get rid of this front end because it's just blocking my view a little bit. There you go. You can see how stretchy that is. A bit of dry skin attached to the back. Now that's out of the way, now we can get a better view and we can start drawing a little bit more of this wax down the canal. Just trying to roll it rather than scoop through the center of it. So we want to try and keep this as whole as we can. You see, otherwise it starts to break as it did there, you see. Drawing a little bit more out. There we are. It's a nice big chunk of wax there. Now we've taken everything away. You can see a slight retraction to the eardrum, that darker section there. That means the eardrum's a little bit pulled into the space behind it. So this is what we removed. So we got to just about 8 centimeters worth of wax there. That's the Jobson horn and the standard size ulnar tube there for you. So all came out quite nicely. As always, guys, if you did enjoy the video, then please, if you don't mind, liking, sharing, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe away. We do videos twice a week, so Tuesday and Thursday for our latest videos. And as always, take care.